Number 1.
1990 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,800. With 200,000 miles on the odometer, this truck has clearly seen the road, yet it remains in excellent mechanical and cosmetic condition. It features a manual transmission paired with a strong and dependable 350 cubic inch V8 engine, delivering the raw performance and torque that made the Silverado a favorite among truck enthusiasts. The exterior is finished in a striking blue color, giving it a bold and authentic vintage appearance. As a 4x4 model, it's built to handle a variety of terrains, from city streets to off-road trails, offering both reliability and versatility. The 8-cylinder standard engine provides plenty of power, while the manual gearbox ensures a more engaging driving experience for those who appreciate full control behind the wheel. According to the owner, the engine, transmission, and suspension are all in top condition, showing that the truck has been carefully maintained over the years. It also holds a clean title, which adds peace of mind for the next owner.
Number 2.
1988 Ford F250, price $6,950. It features an automatic transmission, a white exterior paired with a brown interior, and runs on gasoline. This truck comes equipped with new front brakes and bearings, ensuring improved stopping power and safety. Under the hood, it houses the largest V8 engine Ford offered at the time, providing strong performance and reliability. The body remains straight for its age, with only minor cosmetic flaws, including some surface rust in the bed, a bit of chemical paint loss on the hood, and a few small Bondo patches on the passenger rocker panel. There are also a few minor dents and dings, particularly on the top of the tailgate, but no serious or deep rust issues. Inside, the air conditioning requires a recharge, and the speedometer cable produces a slight noise, but overall, the truck runs and drives well with good rubber on the tires. It has not undergone major modifications, maintaining its original, authentic condition.
Number 3.
1998 Chevrolet S10, price $5,200, powered by a 2.2L gasoline engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission and a gray interior. With 209,000 miles, it's been a reliable and fuel-efficient daily driver, equipped with the ZQ8 Sport suspension package for improved handling. Under current ownership, nearly $10,000 has been invested in upgrades and maintenance, preparing the truck for a planned 6.0L V8 and T56 transmission swap. Despite some paint scratches and small dents typical of its age, it's been carefully rebuilt for another 150,000 miles of use. Key features include a vinyl bed cover, black rock wheels with Cooper Cobra tires, LED lighting, and a shaved rear bumper. It rides on 2 front drop spindles, 3 rear lowering blocks, and an air leveling kit, with a fully replaced front suspension. Mechanical improvements include new engine sensors, fuel injectors, fuel regulator and filter, and a Walbro 255 pump. Inside, it has new door speakers and a modern head unit.
Number 4.
1995 Ford F250, price $5,500. This particular model comes with a manual transmission and has approximately 221,000 miles on the odometer. It features a green exterior with a gray interior that maintains much of its original condition. Powered by a gasoline engine, the truck runs and drives smoothly, showing that it has been well cared for and lightly used over the years. According to its history, this F250 remains completely stock, with no aftermarket modifications, and even includes the original factory window sticker, underscoring its authenticity and careful ownership. While the vehicle has been babyed throughout its life, it has been sitting and used for the past few years, leading to a minor oil leak, the only known issue.
Number 5.
1993 Ford F150, price $7,000. It has approximately 200,000 miles on it and features an automatic transmission. The exterior is finished in gold, complemented by a black interior, giving it a classic yet rugged look. Powered by a strong 5.8L V8 gasoline engine, this truck runs smoothly and delivers impressive performance for its age. It's equipped with a 6-inch lift and a front winch, enhancing both its off-road capability and bold appearance. The air conditioning blows cold, and the vehicle remains exceptionally clean inside and out, reflecting the care it has received over the years. The truck comes with a clean title and the title is ready for the next owner.
Number 6.
1994 Toyota T100, price $5,800, well-maintained long bed pickup finished in burgundy with a tan interior. It features a 3.0L V6 engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission, showing approximately 150,000 miles on the odometer. The engine has been replaced, with documentation available from the auto parts store to verify the work. It has received several recent upgrades, including a new muffler, battery, clutch, and oil pan gaskets, ensuring reliable performance. The body is in excellent condition with no rust, and both the title and Carfax are clean. While the truck could benefit from a new set of tires, it remains a solid, dependable, and well cared for example of Toyota's early full-size pickup line.
Number 7.
1999 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,888. It has 199,000 miles on the odometer and comes equipped with an automatic transmission. It features a sleek gray exterior paired with a matching gray interior, and it runs on gasoline. Under the hood, it's powered by a strong 5.3L V8 engine that has been well maintained, recently fitted with new NOx sensors and a new fuel pump. The automatic transmission was serviced at 170,000 miles with a new torque converter, fresh solenoids, a new filter, and a pan gasket, ensuring smooth and reliable performance. Additional upgrades include a new battery and alternator installed this year, a KN air filter for improved airflow, and a MagnaFlow muffler that enhances exhaust tone and efficiency.
The tires remain in great condition with plenty of tread left. Number 8.
1992 Ford F250, price $6,800. It has covered approximately 146,000 miles. It features a 5-speed manual transmission paired with a 5.0L V8 engine, offering solid power and a traditional driving feel that truck enthusiasts appreciate. The exterior is finished in a vibrant blue, while the interior comes in a warm tan tone, creating a nice contrast and maintaining that authentic early 90s Ford style. The truck runs and drives, although it currently has some brake issues that will need attention before it's fully road-ready. It comes with a clean title, providing peace of mind for buyers looking for a straightforward project or dependable classic truck to bring back to life.
Number 9.
1992 Ford F-150, price $5,500, features an automatic transmission, a blue exterior, and a gray interior, powered by a gasoline engine. While the truck isn't in perfect cosmetic condition, it runs and drives exceptionally well. Both the heating and air conditioning systems are fully functional, and the 4x4 drivetrain operates smoothly, making it dependable for various driving conditions. This F-150 has been recently serviced, including a transmission service, a new radiator, and a new power steering pump. The front end has been completely rebuilt, with new ball joints, tie rods, and steering links, ensuring improved handling and stability. It also rides on mag wheels fitted with brand new tires, adding both performance and visual appeal.
Number 10.
1985 Chevrolet Silverado, price $6,800. It has a total mileage of 100,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission. It features a striking red exterior paired with a comfortable interior, and runs on gasoline. Under the hood, it's powered by a 350 cubic inch engine, a new crate motor that was installed at 80,000 miles, delivering strong and reliable performance. This Silverado comes with power windows and power door locks for added convenience. The air conditioning system is complete but currently not functioning. The body remains straight with no signs of rust, and the glass is in good condition throughout. The truck has been lowered approximately 5.5 inches in the front and 5 inches in the rear, giving it a clean, aggressive stance. It also features dual exhaust with new pipes and mufflers, which give it a bold, slightly loud tone.